to this cold, snowy Friday from got a Falcon inbound from I don't know. Braking action is medium on the runways today. Roads are marginal on the way in, so we're not going to stay too long. There's a special aircraft coming in soon, and then we'll go get that, and then we'll probably head home before it gets too dark. Hopefully avoid anything on the road. Look at this thing bounce around. Honestly surprised he touched down. It looked pretty unstable. Trying to get things cleared up. And we throw down some salt too. It's about 28 degrees today. Had a lot of rain last night to turn to snow, so it's definitely a little bit slippery in the untreated surfaces. 288, it's a 737 inbound from Chicago O'Hare. Six left to clean it, so they are directing traffic over here to 6 right, so I had to switch sides. Got a Cessna Citation inbound from San Jose, California. Should be a Learjet. Out, we have a brand new airplane inbound, Frontier 2422. It's Chomper, the great white shark. It's their first A321neo that's going to wear the regular Frontier livery. I believe it's inbound from Fort Myers. Check this out. Brand new airplane. Just took us first flight maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago now. they should have named this one Bruce. That was the name of the shark in Jaws. Like a chopper, I think of the I think it's the Land Before Time, the T-Rex, the baby T-Rex. The sharp tooth. I mean, I didn't see him. I'll lose him in a hill in a second, but it's a nature documentary. We got more. Cannonball. What are you looking at? I forgot about Southwest. 2515 inbound from Baltimore. $37.92 inbound from Minneapolis, St. Paul. Maybe they're the ones that's bringing the weather. What do you think? It's been a pretty nice winter, really. We had the one cold snap. Ooh. Overall, it hasn't been too bad. Inbound from Los Angeles International Airport. LAX. A320neo.
A321neo, amend your task to continue down Lima, take Juliet 6 into the ramp.
$648. Switch back over here to the left side. Several aircraft ready to go and a couple that are inbound. So okay, we'll get those first. It's going to give us enough time to get ahead of rush hour traffic on 71 to head out of here. All the spray. It is January in Ohio. 05 heading to Chicago. We got a United inbound. And American Eagle waiting to go. Soon was probably enough time. It's flight 4703, I believe the flight number. I do know they're heading to New York's John F. Kennedy International. Whoa! I bet that didn't feel good. Okay.
Restricted 197, roger.
Oh, got a green tail. Can't tell it has green wings too. It looks like it does.
They changed the assignment. We're going to Bravo 5 now. Just continue to Bravo 5.
Yeah, it's got green wings. Look at that. Flight 1014 heading to Atlanta.
Departure, radar contact. 1516, ascend to maintain 5 now. 5060, turn 5 degrees right. Let's go 330, descend and maintain 9,000. For 2743 Whiskey, flight present heading, climb maintain 1414,000. Present heading 1414,000 for.
It's a special livery at this point. Southwest 536 heading to Midway. It's one of the final 737s still in the Canyon Blue livery.
1014, contact Cleveland.
These are getting pretty rare at this point. So if you still see a Canyon Blue, get a picture of it because there won't be around much longer.
Checking about what runway to plan out the party. It'll be 6 right. Proceed direct to Zonia, and I'll let you know if that'll work here in another about 15 miles. But for now, proceed direct to Zonia, maintain 8,000. Stick with the left if possible, continue 50. Hey man, you got it. Cross 6 right at Alpha, taxi 6 left via, you know what, cross 6 right at Alpha and just hold short of Golf on Alpha for me. Turn left, cross 6 right on Alpha, hold short of Golf, check 850. Alright, taxi via Juliet for now. Southwest 536, Cleveland approach radar contact. Climb and maintain 14,000. Maintain 14,000.
Good for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We're going to get on home. It's getting dark. It's getting cold. We got some more snow coming. So I want to get out of the area before everyone starts heading home from work. Try to beat the rush hour a little bit. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button down below. Comment down below. We'll probably be back up here again tomorrow to do some more plane spotting. So hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a good night, everybody.